you trusted their hands. Now you're stuck in the game, but I'm walking through the heat, won't wait for rescue. I'm saving myself from the burn, letting myself return unscathed, but the heart gets broken anyways, learning who's true. As the flames rise higher, I see we should never hold the lighter. The lessons hit hard when the smoke starts to clear. Not everyone's safe when they're standing so close, but I'm walking through the heat, won't wait for rescue. Believing others is like throwing yourself in inferno. This time I'm saving myself from the burn, learning who's true. As the flames rise higher, I see we should never hold the lighter. I rise from the fire, finally free. No one holds the flame now but me. My true love burns brighter like a falling star. No distance too far to keep us apart. True love will find its way always. In your mesmerizing eyes I see forever, a life where we dance through every chapter, hand in hand. We're only at the beginning, let's keep moving with you here. I'm lost in love, my eyes shining with the light of you. Let me be with you. If fate truly brought us together while we still have time on this earth, I feel it slipping away, so please don't turn your back on me. If destiny led you here, if you walk away now, I may never see you again. Don't leave if you're meant to be my soulmate. If you don't put effort into us, into your life, into building something real. Don't put effort into us, into your life, into building something real and beautiful, you lose me. I need someone who knows what it means to belong, not a fleeting lover chasing illusions. Someone who's meant to stay, who loves with depth. It feels like we're made for each other, like we found the one we deserve in the chaos. I see your face every day, so familiar, yet somehow stranger. I dream of laughing with you side by side, through every trial, every storm, loving as we go together. We wouldn't feel alone. Your eyes still my breath every time. You're my beautiful one, like a vintage wine, rich, lasting, unforgettable. What can I do when my heart refuses to listen? Your love delicate, like a flower pure, like spring's first bloom. I can't help but admire. I've only ever wanted to love one person in this life, with loyalty that runs deep and a heart free from pain. Can you feel that too? Let's build a happiness that lasts, become our best selves. It can only be you, the one my soul is tied to. Your love so true, only you can save me from this emptiness. Listen to my words, let them become the reality we live by. Your eyes, they still leave me breathless. Oh, my beautiful one, so divine, like the wine that never ages. What can I do when my heart defies reason? Your love, a fragile bloom, colors my world with its sweetness. I can't help but adore. My dream, the one who shields me, a quiet strength that calms the storm inside me. I see the light that shines in your eyes. Is it wrong to feel this peace with you? Don't let this moment pass us by. Hold me close, tighter than ever, until the end of days. door. Let our love burn bright like a falling star. No distance too far to keep us apart. Love will always find its way. In mesmerizing eyes I see forever, a life where we dance through every chapter, hand in hand. We're only at the beginning, let's keep moving. You hear I'm lost in love, my eyes shining with the light of you. Something real and beautiful, you lose me. I need someone who knows what it means to belong, not a fleeting lover chasing illusions, someone who's meant to stay.